DNA testing and video evidence were the subjects of testimony today at the trial of the two people accused of killing Constable Greg Pierchalla. CTV's Krista Simpson joins us now with more on what the jury at the Cayuga Courthouse heard today. Krista.
Well, Tony, the bulk of today's testimony came from two expert witnesses. The jury heard about DNA testing on items seized during the investigation. They also saw numerous photos and stills taken from video comparing images of the shooter to Randall McKenzie. The jury heard from an expert from the Center of Forensic Sciences who tested numerous items collected by police for DNA, comparing what she found to samples of DNA that were collected from various people, including Randall McKenzie and Brandy Stewart Sperry. That included the Glock 19 found after McKenzie's arrest. A swab was taken from the slide and grip, and the DNA of 4 people was identified. Randall McKenzie cannot be excluded as the source of one of those DNA profiles. The police officer that seized the gun after McKenzie's arrest could also not be excluded as one of the other sources of DNA. Brandy Stewart Sperry's DNA was not found on the Glock. The gun's magazine, specifically the end where bullets would have been loaded, was also swabbed, and 2 people's DNA was found. Again, Randall McKenzie could not be excluded as the major contributor of that DNA, and it's considered 1 trillion times more likely to be his DNA than that of some other unknown person. The jury also heard from another witness, a digital video analyst from Ontario Provincial Police, who was tasked with comparing images of the shooter from Constable Pierchalla's body camera with images of Randall McKenzie. The jury shown a series of photos side by side. The expert witness did not make conclusions about the comparisons. In cross-examination, McKenzie's lawyer asked about the loss of detail in the body-worn camera footage, the expert saying as a result of the recording and file compression process, fine detail has been lost in that footage. The trial resumes tomorrow, which will be the end of its 3rd week.